today I'm going to show you how to set up a campaign in Audata Promo. A campaign is basically the umbrella that will house all of your contesting, all your inventory, all of your liners, everything that relates to that particular promotion will be within the campaign. So to do that, we're going to head to promotions in the top bar and then click on campaigns. And then you can see here we've got a couple. We're just going to go ahead and set up a new one. So we just go new campaign. We're going to give this one a name. We're going to call it Sounds of Summer. Now, you can put in a budget. You don't necessarily need to. If you are doing a cash prize campaign, then this will need to have a budget. So whether that be a $10,000 budget or a $15,000 budget or whatever it is, just pop that in there. If you've got a cash prize giveaway but you don't know how much it'll be, just put a really high number in there so that it doesn't cut it off before you pay winners. Otherwise it won't allow you to award these on air. So then we have a client, we can award these, but I haven't got any clients set up, so we're not going to do that. When I say award, I mean assign. You can select your show. Again, that becomes that's the shift that we will find in schedule later when I show you that. But for now, we're just going to leave that one blank. This is the owner. That will always generally be you unless you want to put it under somebody else's name, but we're going to leave that. You can do campaigns within campaigns. So for example, if you have a summer campaign and then you have a workday campaign and a breakfast campaign, you can set this up to be, you can set it up to have a parent campaign. So as you could see there, we had a few before, now that there's not. So we can set that up if we need to. And then the campaign type, you don't need to select this, but if you want to, it's there. Then we have our start date and end date. So we're going to pop that in as we're going to start this on Monday and we're going to end it, we're just going to end on the 31st. Tags, don't worry too much about the tags. Yeah, they're there for general. And then we want to, don't worry about data sharing or enabling winners publishing for this campaign. You will only be able to do this if you have it set up, if you have Audata set up within your business. If you don't, then this won't be possible. So you will know if that is the case. If not, ask your promotions director or whoever it would be for you as to whether or not that is something you need to enable. Financial codes, these are only if it is a finance or a cash prizing campaign that you will need to put this in. Once you've put these codes in, and it'll look different for every station, but once you've put these codes in, then you will be able to award cash prizing, but you won't be able to do it without them. And just here in advanced settings, we've got our default status. So every time that we award a prize, there is a text message that is sent out and a status assigned to it. This is by default new, but we can select a different default status if we want to, so that they don't necessarily get the new one, they get whatever status we've set up. So then there's the confirm status, again, the same as new. There is a default confirm status. If you want this to be different, you need to pop that in there. And then the code for it. I'm not sure what that relates to, but don't worry too much about that because it won't affect whether or not you can award or delete prizes. So we're just going to hit campaign, create campaign. Amazing, and there we have it set up. So now we have our umbrella set up for all of our inventory and our liners, and that is how you create a campaign.